Breaking news coming in. The National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has landed in Kolkata as expected to fly to Burdwan via chopper and is expected to meet the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee later this afternoon. It's a very crucial visit by the National Security Advisor that really underlines the importance of the investigations that are currently underway in this little town where on the 2nd of October there was an accidental blast which ended up uncovering an offshoot of the Al-Qaeda, a terror link that goes all the way up to Bangladesh. There have been multiple security agencies that have been conducting the investigations, and these latest pictures on your screens, they're coming to you from Kolkata of the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, who has landed in Kolkata. The visit also likely to put to ease the resistance that has really been seen from the West Bengal government as far as the investigations in Burdwan are concerned. We have Indrajit joining us on the phone line for more on the story. Indrajit? Indrajit, if you can hear me, we understand the NSA has just landed.
Well, that's right, Avril. The NSA has just landed in Burdwan. In fact, from the Sai complex, he has driven down to the blast site at Khagragar. That's the house where, that's the rented apartment in which the main accused, Shakil Ahmed, along with one of his accomplices, used to live, along with two other women who are now being arrested, and they are in NIA custody right now. The third person is recuperating in a hospital. He was also injured in the splinters during that bomb blast. So the NSA is inspecting along with the NSGDG at the blast site. They are going to be moving around the blast site, and perhaps, in all likelihood, they might also visit the madrasa, the Simulia madrasa, which is not very far away from the blast site. However, it is not clear whether they will go there, but it is not very far away from the blast site. This madrasa also holds key to the entire investigation, because remember, there were a lot of jihadi literature and other incriminating evidences that were recovered by the NIA when they took charge of the entire probe. Now, there is another location very close to this blast site on Badshahi Road in Burdwan. That was the house from where lots of explosives, around 39 IEDs, were recovered by the NSG when the NSG was called in by the NIA to seek their support. Now, that is another site which is very close by. So it is not very clear as to whether the National Security Advisor is going to visit all the sites, but definitely he is now inspecting the main blast site at this point in time. After his interaction with the officials of the NIA who are present there at the site and who are investigating the matter, he will return to Calcutta, and later in the afternoon he will brief the Chief Minister here along with senior state Home Department officials.
Indrajit, who all are accompanying Ajit Doval as he visits Burdwan?
Well, Ajit Doval is being accompanied by the NSG Director General Jayanta Narayan Chaudhary and other senior Home Department officials from the centre. So he has a team, a huge team actually, accompanying him, and they are all inspecting the site right now. And as we have been stating, that this entire team is now going to, fly back to Calcutta once their inspection is over. They are now meeting the officials on the ground, doing this entire investigation at Burdwan. So they'll be briefing the NSA about the progress as far as this probe is concerned, how this is heading. Because remember, just a few days back, the NIA chief Sharad Kumar was in Burdwan, and when he came down to Calcutta, he did say that the stress was now on arresting those absconding, accused in this case. Remember, there are just 4 arrests that have been made. There's not much success as far as arrests are concerned that the NIA has been able to gain. There is a suspicion that some of the prime accused, like the one called Yusuf, who used to run the Simulia Madrasa, he is one of the kingpins, and there is apprehension that he might just be into Bangladesh or Nepal using the border. So there is a lot of heightened security at the border. So all these issues were being discussed when the NIA chief was here, and likely that all the NIA officials who are attached with the probe right now in Burdwan, they will be briefing the National Security Advisor as to what is going to be their future strategy, because the strategy clearly at this point in time is to nab those who are absconding right now.
And it is for that very reason that the cooperation of the West Bengal government is very important, is it not?
Absolutely. It is not just the West Bengal government's home department and the West Bengal CID which must cooperate in this entire probe. Remember, there is a joint investigation team that has been formed with officials from the state CID as well as the NIA. So they are all working together in a cohesive fashion. At this point in time, the NIA, of course, coming out, making a public statement that they are receiving all sorts of cooperation from the CID. Initially, there was a lot of stiff opposition from the state government, but now NIA coming out and stating that they are receiving the required amount of support. So it does require a common, purpose amidst all the agencies. And it's also the fact that the NIA has sought help from the BSF, because we have been reporting since a few days that security has been heightened along the Indo-Bangladesh border. Additional forces of the BSF have also been posted on the border so that over specific intelligence inputs that there might be infiltration from Bangladesh, and also the accused might flee to Bangladesh. So in order to check that, the security has been heightened at the border as well. So it would require a combined effort of all the security agencies to be able to solve this entire terror puzzle.
All right, Indrajit, thanks very much for getting us all those details there. Ajit Doval, the National Security Advisor, accompanied by the Intelligence Bureau and the NSG chiefs, is currently inspecting the blast site where an accidental IED blast on the 2nd of October had blown the lid off a massive terror link in Burdwan going all the way up to Bangladesh. Ajit Doval, after this, is expected to travel to Kolkata to meet Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.